My name is Tom Schafer, and I am Vice President of Koch Modular Process Systems. Koch Modular designs and builds road transportable modules. They can house very large equipment, and we are transporting those by truck on the same roads that you and I are driving on. One of the main apprehensions that clients have is accessibility. They're concerned that they're not going to have enough space to perform maintenance on heat exchangers, on instruments, on equipment. With 3D modeling software, we have been able to advance the design of our modules, and we spend a lot of time evaluating accessibility. We leave 3 to 4 foot wide walkways around equipment and around instruments so that you can get to things from the outside of a module. We do walkthroughs with the client to make sure that they're happy and that they've got plenty of access space. The customers are looking for opportunities to use modular construction because they know they can save money, they know they can reduce their schedule, and it's a lot safer to build that way. You're under roof, you're not out in the weather, you can work 24/7 if you need to. So the productivity is at least 50% greater than it is working out in the field. To date, Koch Modular has designed and delivered more than 300 modular projects.